If you're worried about low student engagement or cheating this year, I have just the trick for you to solve that problem. So, I was working with a bunch of educators in workshops this summer, and a light bulb moment hit me and it clicked. What if instead of calling our learning spaces a class, we called them a workshop? Right? It seems like just a simple thing, just relabeling it, but it means everything. Think about it. A class is a place where you sit in rows, you're quiet and compliant, you memorize, and then you regurgitate on a test or an essay. Not very exciting or engaging or have much purpose to it. But instead, a workshop is a space where we roll up our sleeves and we ask questions and do deep research. We test out our ideas. We maybe collaborate and help each other out. And even though our classes may be math or language arts or history, where we're not building bridges or robots like a STEM class, we can still help our students become engineers of knowledge and designers of knowledge rather than just compliant test takers, right? And so maybe try this with your students as you design your curriculum this year. Start with this question: what do I want my students to produce and create? And what are the skills, the mindsets, and the attitudes that I need from my curriculum to help them create those projects, right? It's a great way to create purpose for your assignments and to get students engaged. If you need more ideas for that, I have wrote a book about it, Storytelling with Purpose, Digital Projects to Ignite Student Curiosity. I've got a lot of ideas and lesson plans in here for multimedia research projects that give your learning and your classroom and your curriculum purpose and meaning and get students excited and engaged this year.